If a and b are positive integers, is a upon b less than 9 over 11? So to answer this question, we should just know some reciprocals because 9 by 11 is something that's very frequently used. So we should know its value. For example, 1 over 9 and 1 over 11 have a very good relationship with each other. 1 over 9 is 11.11%, while 1 over 11 is 9.09 percentage, which means 9 over 11 will be equal to 9 multiplied by 0.90909, etc. So if we simplify this, let's quickly calculate. This becomes, let's take these 3 digits only. 9 9s are 81, so 8. So we have 8.81. So 0.881. My mistake. So we have to just find out whether this 9 over 11 is a upon b less than 0.881 or not. We need to answer this question in the form of either yes or no. Now the first statement says that a over b is less than 0.818. If 0.818 is already smaller than 0.881, that means that a upon b will definitely be less than 0.881 as well. The answer to the question is yes, using the first statement alone, and therefore we say that the first statement alone is sufficient to answer the question. Now let's check the second statement. The second statement says that b over a is greater than 1.223. So we can say that a over b will be equal to 1 over 1.223. So we can say a upon b is equal to 1 followed by 30 divided by 1223. Now, so a upon b is less than actually. Now we once again have to simplify this. So when you calculate this, you understand that a upon b, actually the value of this particular expression is again less than 0.881. So we say that a upon b also is definitely less than 0.881, and the answer to this question is again yes. So the second statement alone is sufficient to answer, and the final answer becomes option D, because each statement alone is sufficient to answer. Thank you so much.